Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Average Directional Index, ADX definition and how to uses details category, Forex knowledge technical indicator ADX. What is the average directional index, ADX? Description: ADX stands for Average Directional Movement Index and can be used to help measure the overall strength of a trend. The ADX indicator is an average of expanding price range values. The ADX is a component of the directional movement system developed by Wells Wilder. This system attempts to measure the strength of price movement in positive and negative direction using the DMI and NDMI indicators along with the ADX. Image ADX. How this indicator works: Wilder suggests that a strong trend is present when ADX is above 25 and no trend is present when below 20. When the ADX turns down from high values, then the trend may be ending. You may want to do additional research to determine if closing open positions is appropriate for you. If the ADX is declining, it could be an indication that the market is becoming less directional, and the current trend is weakening. You may want to avoid trading trend systems as the trend changes. If after staying low for a lengthy time, the ADX rises by 4 or 5 units, for example, from 15 to 20, it may be giving a signal to trade the current trend. If the ADX is rising, then the market is showing a strengthening trend. The value of the ADX is proportional to the slope of the trend. The slope of the ADX line is proportional to the acceleration of the price movement, changing trend slope. If the trend is a constant slope, then the ADX value tends to flatten out. The Average Directional Index, ADX, is a technical analysis indicator used by some traders to determine the strength of a trend. The trend can be either up or down, and this is shown by two accompanying indicators, the negative directional indicator, D, and the positive directional indicator, plus D. Therefore, ADX commonly includes 3 separate lines. These are used to help assess whether a trade should be taken long or short, or if a trade should be taken at all. Trading View, key takeaways designed by Wells Wilder for commodity daily charts, but can be used in other markets or other time frames. The price is moving up when and D is above D, and the price is moving down when D is above and D. Crosses between and D are potential trading signals. As bears or bulls gain the upper hand, the trend has strength when ADX is above 25. The trend is weak or the price is trendless when ADX is below 20. According to Wilder, non-trending doesn't mean the price isn't moving. It may not be, but the price could also be making a trend change or is too volatile for a clear direction to be present. The formulas for the Average Directional Index, ADX, indicator are: the ADX requires a sequence of calculations due to the multiple lines in the indicator. Calculating the Average Directional Movement Index, ADX, calculate and DM, and true range, TR, for each period. 14 periods are typically used, plus DM equals current high, previous high, DM equals previous low, current low, use plus DM when current high, previous low, current low. Use DM when previous low, current high, previous high, TR is the greater of the current high, current low, current high, previous close, or current low, previous close. Smooth the 14-period averages of and DM, and TR. The TR formula is below. Insert the DM and plus DM values to calculate the smoothed averages of those. First 14 TR equals sum of first 14 TR readings, next 14 TR value equals first 14 TR, prior 14 TR/14, plus current TR. Next, divide the smoothed plus DM value by the smoothed TR value to get and D. Multiply by 100, divide the smoothed DM value by the smoothed TR value to get D. Multiply by 100, the Directional Movement Index, DX, is and D minus D, divided by the sum of and D, all absolute values. Multiply by 100, To get the ADX, continue to calculate DX values for at least 14 periods. Then, smooth the results to get ADX. First ADX equals sum 14 periods of DX/14. After that, ADX equals prior ADX * 13 plus current DX/14. What does the average directional index, ADX, tell you? The average directional index, ADX, along with the negative directional indicator, D, and the positive directional indicator, plus D, are momentum indicators. The ADX helps investors determine trend strength while D and D help determine trend direction. The ADX identifies a strong trend when the ADX is over 25 and a weak trend when the ADX is below 20. Crossovers of the D and D lines can be used to generate trade signals. For example, if the D line crosses above the D line and the ADX is above 20, or ideally above 25, then that is a potential signal to buy. If the D crosses above the D, and ADX is above 20 or 25, then that is an opportunity to enter a potential short trade. Crosses can also be used to exit current trades. For example, if long, exit when the D crosses above the D. When ADX is below 20, the indicator is signaling that the price is trendless, and therefore may not be an ideal time to enter a trade. The difference between average directional index, ADX, and the Arun indicator. The ADX indicator is composed of a total of 3 lines. The Arun indicator is composed of 2. The two indicators are similar in that they both have lines representing positive and negative movement, which helps to identify trend direction. The Arun reading/level also helps determine trend strength, like the ADX does. The calculations are different though, so crossovers on each of the indicators will occur at different times. Limitations of using the average directional index, ADX, crossovers can occur frequently. Sometimes too frequently, resulting in confusion and potentially lost money on trades that quickly go the other way. These are called false signals. This is more common when ADX values are below 25. That said, sometimes the ADX reaches above 25, but is only there temporarily and then reverses along with the price. Like any indicator, the ADX should be combined with price analysis and potentially other indicators to help filter signals and control risk. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.